Hi, my name is Curtis Scott. Some of you may know me because of success I had with a well-known network marketing company. In fact, I was actually able to go to the top position of that company in a very short period of time. But the reason why I wanted to record this is because I wanted to bring something to the table that I think is very important and needs to be talked about, and that's changing your situation. Now, there are a lot of companies, and let me say this, there's a huge difference between the companies that actually promise you that one day you'll have financial freedom, or one day you'll have time freedom sometimes in the future, and those companies that actually help you to change your situation. Because that, my friend, is the bottom line. That is what it all boils down to, changing your situation. Now, for some of us, changing our situation actually means making more money. For others of us who make enough money, changing our situation means having the time to enjoy that money with our family and with our friends. Here's what I'd like for you to do. Right now, in your address bar, type in www.changeyoursituation.biz. All one word. Once again, www.changeyoursituation.biz. Take a few minutes and actually look carefully at the information that's being presented. And the reason why I'm saying look carefully is because you want to see if that information actually speaks to you. Because if it speaks to you, that means that that is the information that is going to help you to change your situation. And if that's the case, I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.